In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Outlook in Chrome. This quick walkthrough works the same on Windows, Mac, and Chromebook, because Chrome gives you a smooth, consistent way to reach Outlook without any extra setup. Start by opening Google Chrome from your desktop taskbar or app menu. If you haven't updated Chrome in a while, it's a good idea to do that first so everything loads quickly and securely. In the address bar at the top, type outlook.com and press enter. If you use a work or school account that's part of Microsoft 365, you can go to office.com instead. When the page loads, look to the top right corner for the sign in button. If you see different Microsoft services, that's okay, sign in will still be in the top right area. Click sign in and enter your full email address. Use the address associated with your Outlook or Microsoft 365 account, then select next. Make sure there are no extra spaces before or after your email, and if you've signed in before, you might see a list of recent accounts. Pick the one you want or choose to use a different account. On the password screen, type your password carefully. Pay attention to capitalization and any special characters. Click sign in to continue. If your organization requires two-factor authentication, you may be asked to approve a notification in an authenticator app or enter a code sent by text or email. Keep your phone nearby, and if a code doesn't arrive right away, look for an option to resend it. You might also see a prompt asking if you want to stay signed in. Choose yes on your personal device for faster access next time, and choose no on shared or public computers for security. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Outlook dashboard. Your inbox is front and center, with folders on the left and tools for composing messages at the top. You can also switch to your calendar and contacts from the same interface. If you ended up on the Microsoft 365 homepage, use the app launcher in the top left to open Outlook. For quicker access later, you can bookmark the page or pin the tab in Chrome. When you're done, sign out by clicking your profile icon in the top right corner and selecting Sign Out. This is especially important on a shared device, since simply closing the browser doesn't always end your session. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.